Hi everyone, today I'll be doing a review on Barbie dollhouse which I purchased for my daughter, and it's just come yesterday. So I would like to show you the closed part of the dollhouse and how easy it is to carry, as well as I'll be showing you the after opening the dollhouse, how it looks from inside, as well as the backyard portion also. So let's get started. So you can carry this very easily and take it anywhere you want, if you could see. So it's easy to move. So this is how it looks. There's a door over here, you can just open it and close it. There's a latch over here, if you could see. This is the way you can open this dollhouse. I'll be showing you that. And there are a lot of stickers in each side of the room to make it look realistic. Some stickers are we had to put it by ourselves, and some of them were already there. We didn't have to put it. Like this is the paper cardboard kind of a thing which is removable. So I would like to show how to open this latch. You just need to push it up. I'll just open and show you. This is how it looks when you open the dollhouse, and this is a backyard of the dollhouse. And if you could see, it's quite colorful and it looks quite realistic. These are the stickers which was there already. I didn't attach it. These two are the stickers which were there already. These were the stickers which you get extra. We need to attach it. There's a door over here which can be opened and closed. Otherwise nothing can be moved from here. It's all it all looks like this. Now I would like to show you the front side of the dollhouse. Yeah, so let's get started with the inside of the dollhouse. So if you could see, there are 4 dolls I have kept. The 3 dolls which are in the kitchen area and the pool area are the old ones. The doll which is in the bedroom is the new one which you get with this dollhouse. So I've just arranged it to show you how in different way you can play with this dollhouse. So let's get started with each one room, so that you would come to know how each room looks from closer view. So this is the bathroom, if you could see, and there is this washroom where you can open this and use it as a toilet. And there's a comb for this doll, and you can catch it also. Over here they have kept a handle so that the doll can catch it, and it looks more realistic. There's a hand wash too which can be caught. And if you could see, the bathroom looks exactly like how it is in real life. There's a mirror, there's a tap, but that is thicker, but it looks quite realistic. Next I'd like to show is the bedroom of the dollhouse. And if you could see, there is a wardrobe over here with a hanger where you can attach the clothes and hang it over there. And there are a lot of stickers over here which looks quite realistic. There's a watch. What all things are available in a bedroom, it looks the same way. If you could see, this is the bed sheet which you get, which you need to keep over here. And there is this tab of the doll which we get along with this doll. This is the doll which we get, which I told you. And if you could see, you get a floral dress and this doll with pink shoes and a lovely hair, if you could see it. And this bed can be attached over here, and whenever you need it, you just need to keep it down. So this is the bedroom and how it looks. So it looks quite realistic, and a lot of ways you can play in this dollhouse because there are 4 areas. Let's start with the kitchen. If you could see, I have placed 2 dolls on the kitchen area, and they are sitting on the chair which I bought with this dollhouse. So if you could see, this doll is catching the spoon, so she's catching the fork, so they can actually catch the fork too. They have made it quite realistic so that it looks like you're playing. The doll itself is catching and eating the food. So this is how they have made each thing, like the spoon and the fork and as well as this knife. So there are 6 pieces of this kind. I'd like to show. So these are the 6 pieces. One fell down. Yeah. So each one has a handle so that the doll can catch. Next is, if you could see, I'll remove this, and I would like to show the 2 chairs which are available. One is in pink color and one is in purple. So it looks really nice, very nicely made. Yeah, that's all. And if you could see, these plates are stuck over here. There's a thing which goes inside of this, so it gets stuck and it doesn't move. If you could see, same way the juice too are kept inside, and you can't easily remove it. It doesn't fall off, so it stays well over there. Also there is this sink over here as well as gas stove, and in this gas stove too you can keep this vessel attached. If you could see, I would like to show this dining table. This is also can be kept back after use, so you just need to keep it like this and get it stuck over there. Yeah, that's all. And you can open this kitchen door and keep it open and use it like you're going to the backyard or something like that. The next area is the pool area, if you could see. So in this pool area you can put water in it little so that it looks realistic. Pool and splash the water and play. And this is the plant which we get near the pool area. There's color lights over here which you can attach over here, and this stays with a latch. Once you remove this latch, it goes down too. So it's quite a good dollhouse which I have got, although this dollhouse doesn't have a roof, but it looks quite realistic, and you can play with kids, and the kids can play in very different ways. There is 4 rooms available: the bathroom, the bedroom, the kitchen and the pool area. You can play in very different ways, and if there are more dolls you can play it more in different ways, and each room can be utilized well. So this is all I would like to show in this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, share, and also if there is any comments which you would like to add, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.